But here you can see the image colored in with some gradients and flat basic colors from the pencil sketch. The pencil sketch has the line tool using the brush with just the shape of the brush changing. So you have the couple images that you can see prior to, and I just went right over the top of this on a new layer. Took the brush, modified it from the brush palette, and then just zoomed in and just kind of did some sketches, some straight lines as well as some sketched lines, getting comfortable trying to get some use into that. The highlight I'm just going to actually place in with an ellipse tool, going very quickly, just kind of sketching this out and trying to plan ahead. And remember, if this is going to be live painted, trying to anticipate the gaps in between some of these shapes. And just kind of using the drawing as a guide to add some extra hatch lines, or once it's outlined you can treat it as an entirely new drawing and build that up. So here's just kind of adding some texture. You can take my time even though it's speeded up here for you. Adding texture, knowing that it's going to be shaded and not in Photoshop but with Illustrator. So making a duplicate copy, outlining the path so that live paint will look at it as a shape. Move all the color palettes out there, from the swatches to the color guide to the color to change. So I'll start out with some just solid colors using the tints and shades and the color guide, and locating some of the gradients. Every time you highlight the gradients, it'll show up in your swatches panel as an option to use, and just kind of using them straight, not really modifying anything. Just kind of laying out the color, making sure everything has a fill that I want highlighted, even the white of the eye. I'm just going to add a light color to it. I'm just kind of quickly using the live paint tool, making a little crescent with two elliptical shapes in the pathfinder, duplicating it, rotating it, and flipping some of it just to keep the same feel of it. And there's a screenshot of it. So just a quick